What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We're going to be going over baby doge today. Not too much has happened since the last video, but we're going to be going over the technical analysis and some updates on baby doge swap as well. So definitely stick around, hit the like button, and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Definitely check out cryptomillionaires.shop for the best crypto merch in the industry. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So we're going to go over the technical analysis here first for baby doge. And the first thing I noticed looking at this, we actually just now got rejected at this resistance up here, trying to get up to the 8Z3 area, but we kind of stopped over here at 8Z293. So it's kind of a little bit of a resistance area for us here. And the same thing is for the 23rd. On the 23rd, we got rejected at the same level. And yeah, we've been trying to get back above that 8Z30 area, so we can get back past this resistance up here. So that's pretty much what we're trying to do. We're trying to get past that area. This is the 15-minute chart, but over here is the 4-hour chart, which is slightly different here. So looking at this, it kind of shows, we're still at the same area trying to get back above that resistance, but you can also see that we're a little bit closer to the support side. So even though we did just not have an increase in our price, there's still a possibility that we go a little bit lower here in baby doge. And what I mean by that is down here to this support at 8Z25. There's still that possibility that we hit the 8Z25 support. I know a lot of people don't want to hear that. A lot of people don't want to see that happen, but there's still a possibility that that happens. Now, we have been holding good support here. If you look at this, since the 20th of April, we've been holding the support very, very well. Really the 21st of April. But yeah, since the 21st of April, we've been holding this support very well. But if we can't break back above this resistance and actually stay above it, then yeah, we're probably going to end up breaking this support and end up hitting 8Z25. So that's what we really got to watch out for here when it comes to baby doge. Hopefully we can stay up, but remember we got the card coming out on the 4th. And yeah, that's one of the only things we got coming out soon right now. But then hopefully they make an announcement for something else big, because they've been making a lot of announcements lately, and coming up for baby doge's birthday soon, that's probably going to also be a very big event as well. So that's coming soon as well. Just got to wait a few months. But anyways, we are on the right path here with baby doge. So everything's good here, and I'm definitely happy with the progression of the project. But moving on to the Bitcoin technicals here, we can see Bitcoin just now had a nice rise. So it was a little bit overbought though if you look at the oscillator, because now the purchasing power is slowing down. Selling is going to start coming back in, which is a bearish signal. But we did just now get a lot of buying here for Bitcoin. It's a lot of overbuying, right? Yes, but that was a good amount of buying. We went all the way from 27.2K all the way up here to 28.4K. So that's pretty good. And we almost got past that resistance that we have all the way up here. But still, that was a really, really good increase in price right there. So really happy that that happened. Now, we do have some other news coming up here for Bitcoin as well. But if you look over here at the oscillator on the 4-hour chart, you can see the slow progression of the buying slowing down and going down from here. But I think that there could be another large buying wave soon with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is just at this weird moment right now where it wants to just take off. It wants to, get past 30K, but for some reason, the whales, they're just not letting it happen. We almost got way past 30K. We almost got up to 31K, which is pretty good. The fact that we were able to stay up that long. But you got to remember, we were over here at this resistance for the longest time. Since March 19th, we've been here trying to get past the same area. We got past it very briefly, but now we're back down below it. But the fact that we're holding this area so strong is a very good sign. Now, yes, like I said in a previous video, there's always the possibility that we go back down to the trend line. But if we respect the trend line and then we continue to rise from there after hitting the trend line, there's really nothing bad about hitting that trend line. And really, that's just a buying opportunity if you want to look at it that way. But yeah, moving on from the technical stuff, though, let's talk more about baby doge. We are down, or we're up a little bit today, only 0.1%, not too bad. It's just decent. It's neutral right now. So we're inside of a very neutral area for baby doge. Now, as for our holders, we now have 1,738,000 holders. And yeah, I just now accidentally clicked off it, but we've seen it. 1,738,000 holders. But yeah, anyways, we have a new farm on here. They did say it's a sponsored farm, so do your own research on it. They said they do not endorse them. So me personally, I don't buy anything that's I don't buy any of the other farms. They do have a gold check mark on their page. Aussie Enu, they do have a gold check mark, so that's pretty interesting to see. But yeah, I don't really get in on any of the other farms. But I mean, it is what it is. If you want to get in on it, do your own research on it. But yeah, I don't really do any of the other farms other than the main core ones. But yeah, definitely do your own research on it. Like the Baby Doge developers said, they don't certify any of these projects, so do your own research. Now, moving on from this, we're going to go over some Baby Doge swap info. So our liquidity on Baby Doge swap is now at 47.29 million. So yeah, it has went down a little bit, but yeah, our volume is lower as well at $317,000, which is way lower than what it was before. But it's all right. We got time to get it back up. Last 24 hours, Baby Doge burned 7.8 trillion. This is a decent amount. Hopefully we can get more burned. 7.8 trillion comes out to $24,000. Yeah, hopefully we can get some more burned. Burn portal hasn't moved much. It's still 67.1 trillion. So yeah, it hasn't moved much on the burn portal. For the farms haven't really been moved much either. Let's be honest. 4.3 million in total liquidity, 52% APR. So everything's kind of neutral right now with Baby Doge. So we're just gonna kind of relax and wait until we get the big news for our card, or until they announce something else big in rank 120 here. So yeah, we've been very neutral with Baby Doge for the past few days. But anyways, this is all I got for you all today. Definitely hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Check out cryptomillionaires.shop for the best crypto merchant in the industry. And as always, I'll be back with another video.